Hi, this is Mrudul Meghna and I'm here with the rapcupid.com team and we are celebrating the 70th year of independence this year. And we are here to do a short campaign on what people think about freedom and the tricolor flag. So let's find out, what do the people think?
What is the difference between Independence and Republic Day?
What is the difference? Independence. I don't know.
रिपब्लिक डे तो पब्लिक के लिए छुट्टी देते हैं.
What the fuck?
और इंडिपेंडेंट डे जो है सो स्वतंत्र आया बोल के उसके लिए खासकर तौर पर छुट्टी देते उसको है.
Stop. Republic Day is when the Constitution was formed.
Independence Day is the day when the British left our country.
What is freedom for you?
Freedom is doing something which I want.
Living your own self, be happy always.
Do whatever you want, don't care what people think of you. Exactly, doing what you want to and choosing whatever career you want to choose. No restrictions at all.
Freedom to move around freely, not relying on anyone else, becoming more of self-reliant.
The way of expressing yourself.
ఫండమెంటల్ రైట్స్ కి భంగం కలగకుండా మనిషిని జీవించే విధానానికి తోడ్పడేదే స్వేచ్ఛ.
The Indians today are preferring the international brands instead of the Indian brands.
They last long than Indian brands.
There is a sense of fashion they have. Indian brands are very few and there are very few which really produce Indian brands.
My priority is not whether they're Indian or American. My priority is whether the brand is good, whether the quality is good, whether it's in trend with fashion.
Well, I have mixed feelings about that because what we need to do is we need to keep pace with the current economy.
Like support Indian brands. But if they're not giving quality, then I don't know who will buy something which is not good.
Which year of independence is this?
It's say you are asking it again a typical question. I should again calculate it.
So 1947, but calculation.
1947 to 2016.
So it answers 69.
64th, I think so.
I'm very poor at general knowledge.
69th.
70th maybe.
70th.
70th year?
Correct.
70th.
70th.
The Americans use their flag on the clothes, like pants and tracks and t-shirts. Should the Indians also do that with their tricolor flag?
Absolutely no. We should respect our country and we respect the flag first,
We are disrespecting our national flag, that's it.
Flag, and there's a lot of sentiment involved with this flag.
Love and affection towards the country should be in your heart.
What according to you is respecting your flag?
Always pay respect by standing whenever the flag is hoisted.
We always want to see the flag high and we want to salute that.
The point you feel that yes, you're an Indian.
To respect all the religions and to stay unite.
To give India a respect.
Everybody feels like proud now.
How many t-shirts you have which consists of I am Indian or India flag?
Honestly, I don't have any.
Shop from rapcupid.com.
I do take a t-shirt of India print.
Never forget to shop at rapcupid.com.
I love my country. It should be from our mouth. It should be from our heart. I love India.
मेरा भारत महान.
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind. Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.